We are just explaining how we are being victimized. The purpose of this conversation is only just to get Akash Ram back and also warn those who are controlling the affairs that this is something not good for the country. You are damaging the interest of this country. You are, by doing this, Allah na kare, Khuda na kare, there can be a stigma on the name of my country. It's a country of 22 crore people. It's a nuclear state, resilient people who have always stood with the right. So these are our humble submissions. We are victims and we are appealing. World organizations, human rights organizations, to put your influence, to tell these authorities, don't do that. It has great connection with what is happening in the country. Akash Ram has no animosity with any government agency. It is BOL. It is the coverage which BOL gives. And what we have done wrong, what we have done against Pakistan, according to the law under which we get license from the PEMRA, we are supposed to apprise the public about every aspect of any incident. Our channel is open. We don't put any ban on anything. Yes, what we did during the last 3, 4, 5 days, there was abuse against judiciary, and we decided not to show, not to air the voice of those who were abusing judiciary. That's all, and this is what our constitution says. This is what the constitution of Pakistan says. All judicial and executive authorities have to come in the aid of the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The conduct of judge cannot be discussed. Article 68 says, even on the floor of the house. But here, the judges were being called with the different names, and we decided not to air that. And we are proud of it, and we will continue doing whatever our law says to do. But we are not challenging any authority. We are simply a news channel. We don't have any force. We simply have this mic, this camera, and maybe this pen, these small phones which we used as cameras. This is what we have. But what is our strength? The people of Pakistan, Constitution of Pakistan, and we'll keep on doing. Mr. Siddique Jan, our bureau chief, he is with me, and I would like him to say something. You can speak in English, you can speak in Urdu, whatever you like.
बहुत शुक्रिया। समी इब्राहिम साहब ने जो जिक्र किया आकाश साहब की